Hi, I'm Amrita and Holi is all about bringing back whimsy into our lives. So what we do is we sort of capture fleeting moments. Can I start walking around and showing you?
Absolutely.
So make some noise, Bangalore, for the next band up on stage. A brief introduction. My co-host MC.
What we do is we capture whimsy from things around us. So this print is called Windsong, and it's about, you know, imagine you're walking down the street and suddenly there's a gust of wind and you have this shower of leaves falling all across the street and falling all around you, and what you feel is just this sense of wonder that is like so wow. That's what we try to capture with Holi. So we have this, and this print is about impermanence. It's about a dragonfly that's flying around and it stops for a second on this beautiful flower and you catch the glitter on its wings. So every tag on the product tells you a little bit about the inspiration behind that particular print.
And who designs all this?
I do.
Okay.
So our range basically is cushion covers. So we have small ones, we have large ones, and then we do these long ones. These are our new collections. And we also do table linen. So what you saw was a runner, and then we do table mat and napkins. And one of our main products, which is the whole idea behind Holi, because Holi means light in Tamil. So it's lamps. So we do all kinds of lighting, and the smaller stuff is actually just stuff that you can add to your home to suit the lighting even better.
Ladies and gentlemen,
Okay.
this is
So that's
Sure.
Soul Sunday in association with Bangalore.